Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So, sudden dip in the cryptocurrency market which fell on Friday to its lowest level in more than 3 weeks, with Bitcoin dipping below $22,000 mark amid a sudden crypto sell-off. That's what we are observing. So, which is linked to the Fed's expected rate hike next month and the reduction in the DeFi activity. That's what traders and analysts are saying. So, Ic15 Index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 8.2% at 31,760 points. Bitcoin was trading at $21,623, down 8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was also trading lower by 6.5% at $1,730 in the past 24 hours. If we see, roughly around 1,57,394 traders were liquidated. So the total liquidation, which was around $550.6 million, mostly on the long positions. So to St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, who was among the central bank's earliest advocates last year for a more muscular response on the fast-building price pressures, said that the given strength of the economy is currently leaning towards supporting a third straight 75 basis points interest rate hike in September. That's what we're talking about the US markets. So the global cryptocurrency market, on the back of this broader concern, fell by 7% to trade at $1.04 trillion, and the total crypto market volume decreased by 9.68% at 65.03 billion in the last 24 hours, according to the coinmarketcap.com. So attention now turns to the Fed annual symposium in Jackson Hole, which is next week. So there is already speculation that the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell may lean against a recent loosening in financial conditions that's driven financial markets higher in the past weeks. And if we talk about the other major altcoins or tokens, experienced a similar steep drops. Though some assets have recovered slightly, value have broadly remained depressed around the fallen values, which has followed the sell-off. So on my left, Binance BNB was down by 8.3% to trade at $282. Polygon Matic was down by 13% to trade at $0.78, which is broadly on the back of on profit taking. Solana Sol was down by 12% and was trading at $36. Polkadot was next on the list, was down by 11.4%, was trading at $7.5. Cardano's ADA token was trading lower by 13.6% at $0.47. Shiba Inu also lost 13% in today's trade. So Avalanche FX was trading at $22 at 15% lower. Doge, the popular meme coin, was down by 14.6% at $0.070. Ripple's XRP token was traded at $0.34, which was down roughly around 10%. So keep an eye on this development that Ripple XRP has launched a crypto-enabled enterprise payment in Brazil, which is in tie-up with Travelex Bank, according to the information which is available on the Altcoins website. So Brazil is the key market for the Ripple, given its importance as an anchor to business in the Latin America. That's what the indications have come from this token. So let's get a technical perspective view on today's market by Ayushi Verma, our technical expert. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So let's quickly get started. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about this thing from the past few days, that the price was not able to sustain this particular 100 EMA, and exactly because the price was trading below than this, so exactly because of that the price is now coming downwards, so it's falling. But what we can expect here from now onwards is that the price it was taking a support of 22,600, and that was a good crucial support. And also we can look at this particular trend line as well. So back to back, you can see there is a support area, and just below than this support area we have this trend line. And now currently, if you look at the momentum, you can see there is a good fall. It's around 6% fall today, and the price is currently trading below than this particular trend line. That's fine, that's perfectly fine. Now the question arises that if the closing price happens to be higher than this trend line or the support area, that will be good, because that will show again the buying activity, the buying momentum that will be continued. And if that doesn't happen, if the price today closes maybe at this trend line or below than this trend line, then that's a point of concern, because from there we might be able to see further fall. And if we were talking about this thing, that the price is somehow it's trying to go up, but you can't see a lot of momentum here. So the price was completely lacking the momentum. However, it's making small moves towards the upside, but now you can see that the seller has already overpowered it, and that's the reason the price is falling. So again, let's just wait for the closing price, and then we would be able to see more clarity on the direction part. And similarly, you can see the same thing in the Ethereum. But one thing which looks interesting here is that two things, in fact. One, the price is falling. It's again around 6% fall we can see in this Ethereum, but still the price is holding up this support area of 1725. So that is something which is good. Secondly, the price is still trading higher than this 100 EMA, so which is again a good point from the buying perspective. From the upside, if the price needs to go towards the upside, so that is something which looks interesting, which looks good. Now again, the closing happens, the closing price matters a lot. So if the closing price happens to be at around this support area or maybe higher than that, we can say that okay, we might not able to see further fall. But if that happens below than this particular support area of 1725, that will be a point of concern, because from there we can expect a fall. So what we can expect, for the Ethereum, the levels could be 1725. That is the acting as a support area, and I can take the resistance at 2004. So these are the levels that will be more helpful, more workable when the closing happens. And for the Bitcoin, again the same situation, we can take like 25,823 as the resistance and 22,600 as the support area. And let's see, if the price closes below the support area, then we will see that we need to change or what we can do it. And similarly, if you look at the Ic15 Index, so this is something showing you the correct exact momentum of the downside. And here also one thing is interesting, the price is still trading higher than this particular support area of 32,000. So 32,000 is the support area, and price is currently trading higher than this. So this is good. And the resistance is at 37,120. So now again, if the price closes higher than this support area, we might be able to see further upside, and if that doesn't happen, we can see further fall. So that, the Ic15 is basically just a mirroring, you can see the mirroring effect of the top 15 cryptocurrency. So you can definitely watch out what's happening with the main cryptocurrencies, the top 15 cryptocurrencies, and then accordingly you will see you will predict the movement of the Ic15 index.